Good afternoon. My name is Savargapar Himanshu Arvind, registration number 18BEC0735. This is the explanation for task 3 for the course Electronic Hardware Troubleshooting. This task was based around common emitter amplifiers. In the first, we had to design a common emitter amplifier with voltage divider bias and verify this output of the same. For this, Multisim Live was used as the tool. These are the component values that were used for the standard configuration of an common emitter amplifier using a transistor. This was the circuit for the same, and this was the output transient graph that was simulated using the same. These are all the values that were noted. As we can see, initially the graph goes up and then stabilizes, and towards the end it falls back down again. These are a few sample outputs that were recorded and shown in the report. For 1 Hz, 10k Hz, 30k Hz. A few real world applications like audio amplifier or guitar tuner were discussed. This is the simulation of the part A of the experiment. For part B, in the first part A, there was the circuit had some error, and we had to troubleshoot that error. All the values, output values, were less than 250 millivolts. The error was found and troubleshooted. The error was found out that a few of the capacitors, mainly collector capacitor and C1 and C2, C1 and C2 were not connected correctly, which led to lower values and not enough amplification on the end of the transistor circuit. The faulty circuit was simulated and the output noted. The same circuit was then rectified, and then the initial output and the same graph was also found along with the correct initial values. This being the faulty circuit. For this experiment, a tool called fritzing was also used to build a circuit on a breadboard and simulate the same. A PCB layout was also built for this particular amplifier circuit, where we had input and output as well as voltage to be provided using these three jumper connectors. In this overall experiment, the working of common emitter amplifiers of a transistor was studied and analyzed, and the errors provided were troubleshooted. Thank you.